Welcome to the course. This is a video that is going to walk you through the different parts of Blackboard in case you haven't been into Blackboard before, or just to show you how this course is laid out. My name is Margaret Loader and I am your instructor, or more your facilitator for this course. And this video may turn into two videos. I only record for about 5 minutes because that's about as much time as anybody is interested in watching. So this may be the first of 2 or 3, but we'll see how we go here. So this is the welcome screen in Blackboard, and this just gives you a little bit of an opening view of what's going on here. You have a list of different links down the left-hand side here. So this is the screen that we're on right now, the welcome screen. And underneath that is course content. So I'm going to click on course content, and that opens up the course content page. So there are different modules or units in here. I'm just going to scroll down a little bit. And so different units here. Here's some technical information. You want to check your browser here. Firefox is the best browser to use for Blackboard at this point. If there are any changes to that, we'll certainly let you know. But all you need to do is just click on, before you start, there's technical details. So there's browser check, netiquette, etc. How you manipulate this screen is you simply click on the little arrow. It tells you page 1 of so many pages. Click on the little arrow. It takes you to the next page there, and you can click on the arrow and go to the next page. You can also, on the left-hand side, if you don't want to go from one page to the next page in sequence, you can simply click on a page here and access the page that way. Now, if you want to get back to the course content module, just simply click on it over here. And the next section down here is the course outline and information. So this has got a lot of good information here. Again, you can go from one page to the next here. Sometimes you have to scroll because I might be giving a whole bunch of information. There's my picture, just so you know what I look like in the sunshine with green leaves and grass behind me. One of the things that's a little bit different about the way we're running this course this semester is the entire course has not been loaded for you. I'm going to be working kind of a week at a time and getting things loaded as we get through them. The reason for this is there's 2 reasons. The first reason is that we have a Red Deer College this year a new Windows environment and a new Microsoft Office environment. So one of the things that happens when there is a technology change is that we don't know exactly how it's going to work with all of the students until all of the students actually arrive. So I didn't want to do a whole bunch of building, making assumptions that the technology was going to work in a certain way. So it's being built for the first couple of weeks, and then as the weeks progress, I'll be building more. So the other part of this is that we have had to use different textbooks. Now, normally what happens is when we go from one version of Office to the next, so when we went from Office 2010 to Office 2013, we use the same textbook. The publisher just provides us with a new edition with the upgraded software. But in this particular case, the publisher has decided that they're going to stop producing the textbook that we have been using for many, many years. So we're using a different textbook, the same publisher, but a different textbook with some online components. And so again, I'm not 100% sure how this is going to work with the new group of students, so we basically have to start everything from scratch. So again, I will just be loading things over the course of the next few weeks. Now, one of the really cool parts of this is that this is the kind of thing that's going to happen to you in the office. You're going to walk in on a Monday after having a lovely, relaxing weekend, and all of a sudden the technology has changed, and your office manager is going to assume that you're just going to be able to take off running. So this is the kind of thing that does happen. It's happened to me when I was working as a legal assistant back in the day. I'm an educator now and have been teaching for 26 years, but it's the kind of thing that happens, so you just kind of have to run with it. So there's my welcome and some information about what an asynchronous course is, which is how this course is going to be run. How to be in touch with me. I have office hours, and so you know that you don't have to come to the college to see me. You know that I will be in my office, and so if you're emailing me, I'm going to be right on top of it. There is the course outline, so there's a link here. Just click on it. There's the course outline, and you may want to print this off, or you can just scroll down and read the information. Okay, we're at 6 minutes here, so I'm going to cut this off here, and we'll start another video.